friends, today we're going to try spelling words that have the long O with one of these patterns, or they'll have a long U with one of these patterns. You'll just have to figure out which one goes with what. So for our first before I say that, make sure that you've got your materials. You need a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker, or you need a paper and something to write with. Okay, your first word has 5 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dashes. The word you have is human. Human. Okay, take a moment. Is that a long O sound or a long U? Human, like you and me, humans. Pause if you need time to think. Human. If you thought that was a long U, then you are correct. It was a long U, and it was this one. Human. I think I'm also going to put a little star that this was a long U sound. Human. Okay, are you ready for your next one? It has 5 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The word here is gecko. A gecko is not a human. It's a type of lizard. Gecko. If you need time to think, then pause the video. Gecko. Gecko. G-E-C-K-O. If you thought that there was a long O at the end of gecko, then you got it. Gecko. I'm also going to put a star in this color because it's the long O sound. Gecko. Are you ready for your next word? Rose. So we already did rows like the rows and columns kind of rows. Now we're going to do the other kind of rose, like the flower. Rose. Oh, that's 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dashes, rose. That one has the long O sound, and it's O consonant E. So I'm going to use my blue to show O consonant E. And I'm just going to star it with my dark brown for the long O sound. Rose. Let's do another one. Your next word has 5 dashes. Go ahead and draw 5 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dashes. The word you're going to write here is argue. Argue. We sometimes need to argue our point. It's okay to argue as long as you do so respectfully and with evidence. Argue. Do you hear an O or a U? Pause if you need time to think. That's an A. Argue. A-R-G-U-E. I'm just going to go ahead and circle or box that U-E spelling pattern. And I'm going to put a star in that light brown color because this was a long U. Argue. Are you ready for the next one? The next word has 7 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dashes. The word we're going to write here is swallow. There's a couple different kinds. You can swallow something when you're drinking or eating, or swallow is also a type of bird. So swallow and swallow like the bird. Swallow. Pause if you need time to think. Swallow. You can see at the end that says O, swallow. So I'm going to use my light blue to box or circle my pattern for long O. And I'm just going to start in the dark brown because it's the long O sound. It's not the long U sound. Swallow. S-W-A-L-L-O-W. Check your spelling for swallow. Your next word has 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dashes. This word has a silent letter. And this word is new. Not like something that's brand new, but like, I knew it. Or I thought I knew it. Like how last time I thought I knew what I was saying about a nephew. This one, you knew it. Let's see. If you need time to think, then pause the video. New. So I'm going to put a box around this EW for the long U pattern that says U. And I'm going to star it with my light brown because it's the long U sound. New. K-N-E-W. That's that silent K. K-N-E-W. New. Okay. Let's try another one. It's got 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dashes, and the word is cute. My daughter Jade is so cute. Cute. Pause if you need time to think. Do you hear a long O or do you hear a long U? Cute. C-U-T-E. That's supposed to be an E. Q-U-T-E. So that's a long U, cute, and that's U consonant E. So I'm just going to box or circle my spelling pattern. And because it's a U, I'm going to just star it with my light brown here. Cute. Okay, one more. This one has 6 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is something that you do a lot. It's also something I'm doing a lot during distance learning. The word we're going to write is upload. Upload. Pause if you need time to think. Upload. U-P-L-O-A-D. So you can probably tell that's got the upload O, long O sound. Upload. And I'm also going to star that with my long O color, which is that dark brown. Upload. So we just practiced spelling words with the long O patterns that are O consonant E, O, O-A, O-W, and the long U patterns, U consonant E, U, U-E, and E-W.